After about 5 to 6 years or 8 years maximum, nobody will ask you about your degree.
It's your capability, how you, what you have learned it, is that makes a difference. Degree doesn't matter here.
My name is Minaketan Nayak and I work with Ericsson as a senior manager.
I'm Aryavala Nayak.
I'm father of Aditya Nayak.
Myself Amit, and I'm an IT professional and having more than 24 years experience and working as a tech lead in a company called Demand Tech.
My name is Soni Mittal. मैं अभिनव की मम्मी हूँ.
I'm Colonel Kavil Manoj. Currently I work in a IT MNC in Bangalore. My son is Noel Manoj, who is currently in Scalar School of Technology.
What were your thoughts before your child decided to join SST?
So when I was doing my research, I came to know across these new age colleges.
The way industry is shifting towards IT industry is shaping up.
Now everyone is going for the AI and
सब कुछ देखने के बाद डिसाइड हुआ 4-5 कॉलेज वगैरह सब सर्च कर चुके थे भोपाल जम्मू बहुत सारी सिटी में.
he was also selected in VIT, and then we checked the syllabus. They were basically following all the old classic one where he had to study physics, chemistry, all these things.
I do not want Aditya to study physics and chemistry again, because if he's focusing on computer science and AI or data science, only discrete mathematics, that is something important and that has been taught here, are the part of the curriculum and the evaluation.
So, what made you choose SST?
I found the college was founded by the industry leaders, and that made me confident that this is built on a very strong foundation. If they can shape up working people's career, why can't they build career from the scratch?
And when I see the first year subjects also, generally in any other college, they'll be taught in third or fourth sem or something. You have picked up from where the industry wants the child to pick up.
And compare the curriculum with the Scalar, I found is more promising.
And that is something made us deciding to, give him admission to Scalar.
Did you see your kids learn or do something that other college kids don't get to do?
From first year itself, they started teaching him how to do the coding and how to participate in that.
Already talking about his startup ideas, focus on hackathon or building things and breaking things.
This curriculum is more job oriented.
And that's something Scalar plays a big role in terms of not teaching the traditional engineering syllabus that are taught in engineering colleges today. So if you are able to understand various nuances of problem solving techniques, things like what are MLOps and AI or cyber security, infrastructure and various other things in that. With that kind of skill, you can really get employed. There are people from Scalar getting international internships and those kind of things, and that's something is a good confidence for us.
Have you noticed a change in your kids since they joined SST?
Yeah, so my kids is like some kind of the introvert.
था ये मुझे वीडियो भी भेजता था, मैं उससे मंगवाती थी जानवर को, मेरे को भेज, मेरे को देखना है कि तू जैसे थोड़ा सा साई नेचर है, सबके सामने आप कैसे अपने आप को इंटरव्यूज करते हो. पर मैंने जब इसकी वीडियो देखी, सरप्राइज थी कि मतलब वहाँ पे मैं इसको बोलती थी, मैंने कहा बेटा आप इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करो, ये स्पीच करो, तो वो नहीं करता था. बट यहाँ आके इसको ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला कि इसने अच्छे से स्पीच दी और बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ थी.
Now he is personally very serious about the work, very study, all the things. He wants to work. Okay, Mama, I'll do the work. Very good job. I'll get the job. I had seen from the first year to second year is coming up to. So I had seen. So it's in his mind now. He's become very serious nowadays.
What are your thoughts about the BSc and BTech degrees?
When we talking to our relative parents, they were saying that okay, Scalar was not providing BS degree, others are providing BTech degree.
Degree related also, he will get the SST degree also, he will get the BS degree from IIT Madras. Whoever is doing or the children is doing the BITS planning, because these two are premium institution, they both will get the same certificate with the premium institution.
And this BTech versus BS roadblock would be there only till your first employment.
But once you enter in IT industry, degree doesn't matter here.
After about 5 to 6 years or 8 years maximum, nobody will ask you about your degree.
It's your capability, how you, what you have learned it, that makes it a difference.
I have checked up that this degree is valid to appear in civil services. So those parents who are thinking that, okay, I want my child to appear for IAS or IPS or any other civil services entrance examination, this degree is valid.
And along with the degree, my core focus was on skill. Because Google and Microsoft and all these big fours, they do not see whether you are a BTech or a BS. They do not differentiate.
Rather than me being fixated on a degree and getting a subpar education, I feel it is better to look holistically and go in for a better education rather than just going in for the degree skill.
What gives you confidence that your child is on the right career path?
They know what is the industry gap, and that's very evident in the Scalers syllabus. At the same time, they are quite focused on building things, not just mugging stuff and syllabus and scoring some percentile.
And when he go on the out of the market, he should have something that, okay, I have learned these things.
The relevance of curriculum, the pedagogy compared to what the industry needs is and how the technology is evolving today is something which attracted me to Scaler.
So Scaler placed in that way that it builds a lot of hackathon, gives you opportunity to work on a collaborative environment where seniors are your guide that help you in solving your own problem or challenges. Those kind of collaborative environment and cohort shape up people because not every person is same.
What would you like to tell parents who are looking at Scaler as an option?
Parents, I'll suggest that in one time you will misjudge, okay, this college is not good or something new, but it is the best college.
He is very happy. That's why we are also happy.
We should not look only for the traditional colleges.
I would recommend come and check with people. This kind of environment really suits them, then of course they can. Because that's something I felt, and therefore I can say that.
If you feel that your child is dedicated and a go-getter, it's worth taking, the risk which is worth taking.